Dates are a popular fruit that comes from the date palm tree Phoenix dactylifera. They're often consumed dried, but can also be eaten fresh. Dates are packed with numerous health benefits due to their rich nutrient content. Some of the key health benefits of dates include nutritional value. Dates are a good source of various essential nutrients such as vitamins, B-complex vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin K, minerals, potassium, magnesium, calcium, iron, and dietary fiber. Natural energy booster. Dates are high in natural sugars like glucose, fructose, and sucrose, which provide a quick source of energy. They are a great choice for a healthy snack or to fuel up before or after a workout. Promoting digestive health. The dietary fiber in dates help maintain regular bowel movements and prevents constipation. Dates also contain natural compounds that may have a prebiotic effect, promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Rich in antioxidants. Dates contain various antioxidants such as flavonoids, carotenoids, and phenolic acids, which help protect the body against oxidative stress and inflammation, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Heart health. The potassium and magnesium content in dates contribute to maintaining healthy blood pressure levels and heart function. The antioxidants in dates may also help reduce inflammation and prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, which can contribute to the development of atherosclerosis. Bone health. Dates are a good source of minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Consuming dates regularly may help in preventing bone-related conditions such as osteoporosis. Anti-inflammatory. The antioxidants and the phytochemicals in dates can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to various chronic diseases, including arthritis, cardiovascular disease, and neurodegenerative disorders. Brain health. The antioxidants in dates may help protect the brain from inflammation and oxidative stress, which can contribute to age-related decline in cognitive function. Dates can improve sexual health and increase sperm count due to their content of flavonoids and estradiol. For females, dates can help tackle iron deficiency, promote natural labor by mimicking the action of oxytocin, and prevent piles during pregnancy due to their high fiber content. It's important to know that while dates are nutritious, they're also high in calories and natural sugars. Therefore, it's best to consume them in moderation as part of a balanced diet. You can eat dates at any time of the day without any digestive issues. They also make for an energy-rich snack that will keep you full and satisfied. But don't forget that dates are high in a sugar alcohol known as sorbitol, which can increase bowel movements and should be avoided if you're experiencing diarrhea. Those with IBS or sensitivities may also wish to avoid dates due to their high fructose content.